translate, the SL right here, people underline it and usually tell you that it's a slide. And you're just going to move it. Now, the y-axis goes up and down. And the x-axis moves left and right. So just like that, when we're moving things, we're going to utilize the up and down and left and right. The graph of the image, 5 units left. So I have to think which variable moves left, x. So we're going to xy is transformed. I take x to the left, and when I go left, I'm going into the negative, so I'm subtracting 5. And 3 units up, which variable takes up? Up is the y-axis, so I'm moving it up. That's how it is written algebraically. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to subtract 5 from 1 and get -4. I'm going to add 3 to 2 and get 5. This is without the graph right now. And b is 3, subtract 5 becomes -2, add 3 becomes 4. I take my 3 and I subtract 5, I get -2. I take my 4 and I add 3 and I get 7. Now let's graph this and do it by physically moving it. I'm at 1, 2. That's my A. And it says go 5 left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 up. 1, 2, 3. And that's A prime. And if you graph it, that's -4, 5. So that's A prime. B is 3, 1. And again, I'm going to go 5 left and 3 up. And this is B prime. And C is 3, 4. And I'm going to go 5 over and 3 up. And I'm going to have C prime. And so this is my new one right here. And this is my old one right here. And I know it's my new one because it has the primes. And translation just means slide it over and move it. Okay, here we go. Triangle XYZ has vertices. Determine the new vertices after translations of 2 left, 1 up. 2 left, 1 up. Left is what letter? X. Left, minus, so that's X minus 2. And 1 unit up, up is Y, and up is positive, so like that. So I'm going to put my vertices here, -1, -2, 6, -3, and 2, -5. I'm going to subtract 2 from -1, and I'm going to scribble this out. This doesn't, actually I can, never mind. I'm going to go -1 minus 2, comma, -2 plus 1. I really don't do that. I do usually in my head. So -3, -1. This would be 6 minus 2, comma, -3 plus 1, which would be 4, comma, -2. And then 2 minus 2, comma, -5 plus 1, which would be 0, -4. This is a good example why you should do math in pencil, so you could erase it and not be all squiggly and squaggly. That is transformation.